Hi guys, it's Miss Chelsea here, and I miss you guys all, and I hope you're all staying safe. So today we're going to make fossil fuels, and I know that Miss Morris has talked to you guys about fossil fuels and how important they are, and how they're a non-renewable source of energy. So today we're going to talk about how to make fossil fuels, and we're going to start off with about 4 types of different cereal, water, and a glass. So basically, we're gonna start off with any type of black or dark cereal. I'm using Reese's Puffs, and I had already crushed it in a bag and added water. And this is gonna represent our coal. So after I place that in a bag, in the glass, I'm going to choose my Cheerios, which are gonna represent sand, and I'm gonna crush them up. And what we're doing is we are representing different types of rock layers we're representing different types of rock layers and how long it takes to make fossil fuels. Next, I'm gonna take shale sediments, which is my Raisin Bran, crush that up, place that on top. Then I'm gonna take my Frosted Flakes, and this is gonna represent sand that is brushed in from the wind or anything, and place it on top. And as you can see the different types of layers of different cereal. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand in the bag, take it, and press it down so everything gets squished. And think of my hand pushing this down as pressure of thousands of years. And that's how you make fossil fuels. Once you're done with your fossil fuel, I want you guys to take out a piece of paper and write what you guys basically made. So I want you guys to write the different layers and write about how long it takes to make fossil fuels. And earlier we talked about fossil fuels are very important and how it takes thousands of years to make them and how we use them in our everyday lives. But unfortunately, we use them faster than they can be made. So I want you guys to talk about that and